If you have natural stone floors, you know how expensive they can be. Natural stone is more porous and delicate than traditional tile floors and requires a specific cleaning process. The technicians at Stanley Steemer are professionally trained to clean these surfaces. Our technicians begin by discussing the options for your floors and desired results. All stone is unique, so the cleaning process is customized for your specific floors. The area is then cleared, and if needed, our technicians are happy to help. Next, plastic barriers are attached to protect surfaces like wood or stainless steel. We take the time to do it right. We even place protective corner guards so as not to nick or scratch the door moldings. And safety is always a priority. Once the area is prepped, an alkaline agent is sprayed to loosen the ground-in dirt. The dirt is then extracted with our powerful suction wand. We also follow up with an absorbent microfiber mop. The surface of the stone is completely dried in preparation for the next step of the cleaning process. The first of several polishing pads is attached to our high-speed rotary machine. This pad has a precise surface specifically designed to remove light scratches, as well as lime and calcium buildup that many do-it-yourself cleaners can leave behind. If scratches remain, a second pad is applied. This pad is designed to safely remove the deeper scratches and any remaining dirt that may still be trapped in the pores. After the entire floor has been thoroughly scrubbed, a softer pad is attached and polishing powder is applied. This is when the stone gets its shine. The more we polish during this step, the higher the gloss or shine. An application of sealer is applied to the stone surface. This is recommended to help resist spots and spills, as well as enhance the natural beauty of your floors. For an even cleaner or completely new look, we can apply Color Seal. This protective coating comes in a variety of colors and is applied directly to the grout. Our trained technicians meticulously apply this coating to all grout, no matter what the pattern. No areas are overlooked. It dries in minutes, revealing a whole new look. The last step in our cleaning process is a gentle buffing with yet another pad. This step creates the polished look that only natural stone can give. We even hand detail the hard-to-reach areas, so everything looks perfect. Finally, any furniture that was removed prior to cleaning is put back in place. A natural stone cleaning from the professionals at Stanley Steemer brings your natural stone floors back to that like-new finish that gets lost over time. For more information, visit stanleysteemer.com or call 1-800-STEAMER to schedule your free in-home consultation.